If you're planning to buy a luxury SUV in 2027, there's one mistake you really don't want to make: choosing a vehicle just because it has an expensive badge on the front. The luxury SUV market has become incredibly competitive, and some of the smartest choices aren't necessarily the vehicles with the highest price tags. Today, you can get impressive interiors, advanced technology, comfortable seats, strong performance, hybrid efficiency, and plenty of space without spending a fortune. But finding the right combination of all those things is where it gets interesting. So in this video, we're looking at 5 brands that deserve your attention if value is one of your biggest priorities. We've got Toyota, Volvo, Acura, Lincoln, and Lexus, and we're ranking them from number 5 all the way to number 1. This isn't simply about which SUV looks the most expensive or which one has the most horsepower. We're looking at the bigger picture: what you get for your money, how comfortable the SUV is, how practical it is for everyday life, what ownership could be like over the long term, and whether the luxury experience actually feels worth the price. And trust me, the number 1 pick is there for a very good reason. So let's start with number 5. Number 5, Toyota. Starting our list at number 5 is Toyota. And yes, I know what some of you are thinking. Toyota isn't technically a traditional luxury brand. So why is it even on a list like this? Well, that's exactly what makes Toyota interesting. If you're shopping for a premium SUV in 2027 and you care more about what the vehicle actually delivers than what badge is sitting on the hood, Toyota can make a very strong argument. The biggest advantage Toyota brings to the table is value in the real-world sense. You can get a spacious SUV with a comfortable cabin, modern technology, useful driver assistance features, and in many cases, hybrid powertrain options without stepping into the price range of some traditional luxury competitors. And that matters because the real cost of owning an SUV doesn't end when you sign the paperwork. Fuel, maintenance, insurance, depreciation, and unexpected repairs can all add up over several years. Toyota's reputation for reliability gives it a major advantage here, especially for buyers who plan to keep their SUV for a long time. A vehicle that remains dependable after 5, 7, or even 10 years can ultimately be a much better financial decision than a more expensive luxury SUV that becomes costly to maintain as it gets older. Toyota's hybrid technology is another reason the brand deserves attention. For drivers who spend a lot of time commuting or dealing with city traffic, better fuel efficiency can make a noticeable difference in monthly expenses. Of course, there are compromises. If you want the softest leather, the most elaborate cabin materials, or the feeling of being surrounded by luxury everywhere you look, a Toyota may not deliver quite the same experience as Lexus, Lincoln, or Volvo. But that's not necessarily a weakness. Toyota is about giving you the things that matter without forcing you to pay heavily for things that don't. You're getting practicality, space, efficiency, technology, and a reputation for durability. For a family buyer, a daily commuter, or someone who simply wants a premium SUV experience without taking on unnecessary financial risk, that could be incredibly attractive. Toyota comes in at number 5 because it doesn't try to pretend it's something it isn't. It simply gives buyers a sensible, well-rounded SUV package that can make a lot of sense in the real world. And if your definition of luxury includes knowing you made a smart purchase, Toyota deserves a place on this list. Number 4, Volvo. Moving up to number 4, we have Volvo, and this is where things start feeling much more traditionally luxurious. Volvo has never been a brand that needs to shout to get attention. Instead, its approach to luxury is based around clean design, comfort, safety, technology, and creating an interior that feels calm rather than overwhelming. That makes Volvo particularly appealing in a market where some luxury SUVs seem determined to fill every inch of the dashboard with screens, lights, buttons, and unnecessary distractions. Step inside a modern Volvo SUV, and the first thing you notice is the atmosphere. The design feels Scandinavian, simple, and sophisticated. The seats are another major selling point. If you spend hours behind the wheel every week, a comfortable seat isn't a small detail. It can completely change your driving experience. Volvo also has a strong reputation for putting safety high on its priority list. Advanced driver assistance systems and safety technology have become expected in this segment, but Volvo has built much of its identity around these features for years. That makes the brand particularly attractive to families and buyers who want their luxury SUV to feel reassuring as well as premium. Another thing I like about Volvo is that it doesn't feel like it's trying too hard to impress other people. There's a certain understated quality to the design. You can pull up somewhere in a Volvo and it looks expensive, but it doesn't have the same look-at-me attitude that some luxury SUVs have. That said, Volvo does have a few things working against it when we're talking specifically about value. Once you start moving into higher trims and adding options, the price can climb quickly. And while the ownership experience can be excellent, buyers who are primarily concerned with long-term running costs may feel more comfortable with brands like Toyota or Lexus. Still, value isn't always about buying the cheapest vehicle. Sometimes it's about getting the experience you actually want without paying for unnecessary extras. And if what you want is a beautifully designed SUV with excellent comfort, advanced safety technology, a quiet cabin, and a luxury experience that feels genuinely different, Volvo makes a strong case. It lands at number 4 because it gives you something special, but there are other SUVs on this list that offer an even stronger balance between luxury and long-term value. Volvo is the choice for the buyer who wants their SUV to feel elegant, comfortable, modern, and a little bit different from everything else on the road. Number 3, Acura. At number 3, we have Acura, and this might be one of the easiest brands on this list to recommend to someone who wants luxury without going completely overboard. Acura has always occupied an interesting space between mainstream practicality and premium comfort. It gives buyers many of the things they expect from a luxury SUV while maintaining a strong connection to Honda's reputation for everyday usability. And when you put those two things together, you get a combination that makes a lot of sense. One of Acura's biggest strengths is balance. Take an SUV like the MDX, for example. You're getting 3-row practicality, a premium interior, modern technology, comfortable seating, and a driving experience that feels more engaging than some competitors. That last part is important because not everyone wants a luxury SUV that feels like a giant couch. Some drivers still want to enjoy the road, and Acura does a good job of giving you that connection without sacrificing comfort. The interior is also designed to feel upscale without becoming unnecessarily complicated. You have the features you expect from a modern luxury vehicle, but the overall package still feels usable. That's something buyers sometimes overlook when shopping for premium SUVs. A vehicle can have an incredible specification sheet, but if the controls are frustrating, the cabin feels cramped, or everyday usability is poor, the luxury experience starts losing its appeal very quickly. Acura also benefits from being part of the Honda family, which can give buyers some additional confidence when they're thinking about long-term ownership. It doesn't mean an Acura is going to cost nothing to maintain, because it is still a premium vehicle, but many buyers see the brand as a more approachable alternative to some European luxury competitors. And then there's the price. Acura can offer a substantial amount of equipment and comfort without forcing you immediately into the highest price brackets. That makes it especially attractive for families who need space but don't want to spend luxury SUV money simply for the sake of having a luxury badge. The biggest weakness is that Acura may not feel quite as extravagant as a more expensive European SUV or as visually distinctive as something from Volvo or Lincoln. But honestly, that's part of why I like it for this list. Acura isn't trying to win by being the flashiest. It wins by giving you a package that works. You can drive it to work, take the family on a road trip, carry passengers, deal with everyday errands, and still feel like you're driving something genuinely premium. That combination makes Acura one of the smartest choices here, and it earns the number 3 position. Number 2, Lincoln. Coming in at number 2 is Lincoln. And if your idea of luxury is all about comfort, quietness, and feeling relaxed every time you get behind the wheel, this brand deserves your attention. Lincoln takes a slightly different approach from Acura. Instead of focusing heavily on sporty driving or trying to compete on performance numbers, Lincoln puts a huge emphasis on creating an experience. That becomes especially obvious when you spend time inside one of its SUVs. The seats, cabin design, ride quality, and overall atmosphere are all designed to make everyday driving feel less tiring. And honestly, that can be more valuable than having another 50 horsepower that you rarely use. Think about how most people actually use their luxury SUV. They're commuting to work, taking the kids to school, going shopping, driving on the highway, taking weekend trips, and sitting in traffic. For those situations, a smooth and comfortable vehicle can make a much bigger difference than a vehicle designed primarily for aggressive performance. Lincoln understands that. The brand also has a distinctive personality. You can recognize a Lincoln on the road without needing to see the badge. And the design has a premium presence without becoming too aggressive. Inside, the focus is on making the cabin feel like a comfortable personal space. That's one of the reasons a vehicle like the Nautilus can be so appealing. It gives buyers the feeling that they're stepping away from the outside world when they close the door. Technology is also an important part of the package, but Lincoln generally tries to integrate it into the overall experience rather than making the dashboard feel like a giant electronic showroom. When it comes to value, Lincoln becomes particularly interesting because it can offer a genuine luxury experience without necessarily reaching the extreme prices of some European competitors. Of course, there are still ownership considerations. Fuel economy may not be the strongest depending on the model and powertrain you choose, and some buyers may prefer the long-term reputation of Lexus or Toyota. But if your priority is comfort and premium atmosphere, those advantages can outweigh the disadvantages. Lincoln also gives you something that can be difficult to measure on a specification sheet: character. It feels different. It doesn't feel like a generic SUV with a luxury badge added afterward. It has its own identity, and that identity is built around quiet confidence and comfort. That's why Lincoln takes the number 2 spot. It may not be the perfect choice for every buyer, but for someone who wants to feel genuinely pampered without spending the kind of money associated with the most expensive luxury brands, Lincoln can be an extremely smart purchase in 2027. Number 1, Lexus. And finally, at number 1, we have Lexus, and this is the SUV brand I would put at the top if the goal is finding the best overall combination of luxury and value in 2027. The reason Lexus wins isn't because it is the cheapest brand here, and it certainly isn't because it tries to beat every competitor in every category. Lexus wins because it gets so many important things right at the same time. First, you have the luxury experience. Lexus SUVs offer the kind of quiet, comfortable, refined cabin that buyers expect when they're spending premium money. The materials, seating, technology, and overall atmosphere make it feel like a genuine step above a mainstream SUV. But then you start looking beyond the first few months of ownership, and that's where Lexus becomes even more interesting. Reliability and long-term ownership are huge parts of the value equation, and Lexus has built a reputation around both. When you spend a significant amount of money on a vehicle, you don't want every trip to the dealership 5 years later to feel like a financial emergency. Lexus has historically given buyers confidence that their vehicle can remain dependable as the years go by. That can have a major impact on the real cost of ownership. Then there's hybrid technology. Lexus has been developing hybrid powertrains for a long time, and that experience gives the brand an important advantage for buyers who want luxury without completely ignoring fuel economy. Depending on the model, a Lexus hybrid SUV can offer a much more efficient driving experience while still giving you the quietness and smoothness you expect from a premium vehicle. The RX is a perfect example of why the formula works. It's comfortable enough for long-distance driving, practical enough for everyday family life, refined enough to feel genuinely luxurious, and available with technology that makes it easier to live with every day. Lexus also strikes a nice balance with styling. The designs are distinctive, but they don't necessarily rely on massive grilles or excessive visual drama to look expensive. There are still compromises, of course. If you want the most exciting handling or the most aggressive performance in this segment, another brand might appeal to you more. And if you're looking purely for the lowest purchase price, Lexus won't necessarily win. But value is about more than the number on the window sticker. It's about what you get, how much you enjoy it, how much it costs to keep, and how confident you feel about owning it for years. When you put all those factors together, Lexus becomes extremely difficult to beat. You get luxury, comfort, available hybrid efficiency, strong refinement, practicality, and a reputation that gives buyers confidence. That's why Lexus earns the #1 position on this list. So, there you have it. 5 brands worth considering before you buy a luxury SUV in 2027. Toyota takes number 5 for buyers who want practicality, efficiency, and dependable long-term value. Volvo brings a beautifully designed cabin, comfort, and a strong focus on safety. Acura takes the middle spot with an excellent balance of luxury, practicality, and everyday usability. Lincoln moves in at number 2 with its impressive focus on comfort and a genuinely premium driving experience. And Lexus takes the #1 position because it brings everything together so well: luxury, refinement, available hybrid efficiency, reliability, and long-term value. But now I want to hear from you. Which one would you actually buy? Would you go with the dependable Toyota, the Scandinavian Volvo, the practical Acura, the comfortable Lincoln, or the proven Lexus? Drop your choice in the comments. And if you're planning to buy a new SUV in 2027, make sure you subscribe because there are plenty more vehicles you need to see before making that decision.